If you've ever wondered about the importance of church attendance, let me share a little story with you. From Luke 13, starting in verse 10. Now he was teaching in one of the synagogues on the Sabbath, and behold, there was a woman who had a spirit of infirmity 18 years and was bent over and could in no way raise herself up. But when Jesus saw her, he called her to him and said to her, Woman, you are loosed from your infirmity. And he laid his hands on her, and immediately she was made straight and glorified God. The woman was healed in church. If she'd let her challenges keep her away, the miracle wouldn't have happened. Now, I can't guarantee that if you go to church, your backache will go away, but I can guarantee that your sin ache will be taken care of. If you can get there, God wants you in church. I'm John Bradshaw for It Is Written.